Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the highly anticipated Cosm by Herman Miller, so you know what the chair looks like when it arrives. Are you looking for a new office chair? BTOD TV is your source for everything office. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Before we go into the unboxing, this is how your chair will arrive if you order directly from Herman Miller or an authorized dealer. If you do choose to order from a third party such as Amazon or eBay, your chair may arrive differently or unassembled. We did order the high back Cosm chair, which means it did arrive for us LTL carrier, and it does come in a large box. As you can see, there are helpful handles on the side. It's 43 pounds about, so you might need someone to help you move it into your office space. Let's get into the unboxing. And that was the unboxing of the Cosm chair by Herman Miller. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the full Cosm chair review and other Cosm chair videos. Also, check out the Learning Center at BTOD.com for other office chair content. Thanks for watching.